Good morning, my dear children. In continuation to our last video on linear equations in one variable, today let us continue with the same exercise 2.3 sums. Now let us move on to the exercise sum. In that, let us see first sum in this. Find the value of x so that L is parallel to M. Here children, line L is parallel to line M. And this line is a transversal. So children, you know that when a transversal cuts two parallel lines L and M, then each pair of alternate exterior angles are equal. So we have here 2x plus 15 and 3x minus 10 are alternate exterior angles. So 3x minus 10 will be equal to 2x plus 15. Now first let us simplify this one. First let us transpose 2x to the left hand side. So already 3x is here. If 2x if you transpose to the left hand side, you will get minus 2x. So 3x minus 2x is x. Now 15 is already here in right hand side. Let us transpose minus 10 to the right hand side. Then you will get plus 10. So 15 plus 10 is how much? 25 degrees. So the value of x is equal to 25 degrees. So let us move to next sum children. A number is divided into two parts. A number is divided into two parts such that one part is 10 more than the other. If the two parts are in a ratio 5:3. If the two parts are in a ratio 5:3, find the number and the two parts. Okay children, as per the statement, a number is divided into two parts such that one part is 10 more than the other. A number, let us first consider the first part of the number be x. And a second part of the number is 10 more than the other. So you can write it as x plus 10, isn't it? So according to the statement again, if the two parts are in a ratio 5:3. So let us calculate the number and the two parts. You have to calculate the number and what are the two parts here. Here, if two parts are in a ratio 5:3, means 5:3 can be written as 5/3, isn't it? So children, you can write this one as x plus 10 by x. One second part by first part, which is equal to 5/3. Now let us cross multiply this children. 3 into x plus 10 is equal to 5 into x. Okay. Now let us multiply 3 with x plus 10. So 3 into x is 3x plus 3 into 10 is 30, which is equal to 5x. Now let us simplify this one. Let us transpose 5x to the left hand side. So you will get there minus 5x plus 3x already there, which is equal to, let us transpose 30 to the left hand side. Sorry, right hand side. Then you will get minus 30, isn't it? Now minus 5x plus 3x, what you will get there? Minus 2x, isn't it? Which is equal to minus 30. Here minus minus will cancel and you have to find out the value of x. So x is equal to 30/2. If you cancel 30 with 2 table, 2 15s are 30. So here you got the value of x is equal to 15. So children, we have considered one part of the number as x. So which is equal to 15. Next, the other part of the number is 10 more than the first part, isn't it? We have considered the second part as x plus 10, which is equal to 15 plus 10, which is equal to 25. So we have found two parts here. First part is 15 and the second part is 25. Still you have to calculate the number. So to calculate the number, so how to find out the number here? Number is nothing but you should add the two parts. One we have considered it as x. Another one we have considered it as x plus 10. X means 15. X plus 10 means 15 plus 10, 25. 15 plus 25 is how much here? 40. So the two divided parts are, one is 15 and 25, and therefore the required number is 40. Now let us move to the next sum, children. Mary is twice older than her sister. In 5 years' time, she will be 2 years older than her sister. Find how old are they both now. Once again I am reading, children. Mary is twice older than her sister. In 5 years' time, she will be 2 years older than her sister. Find how old are they both now. Okay, children. So Mary's age is twice older than her sister. They have given the condition in the question. So first let us consider present age of Mary's sister is equal to x. So what will be the present age of Mary? It will be 2x, isn't it? Next, after 5 years, Mary's sister's age will be x plus 5, isn't it? After means you have to add it. And Mary's age will be 2x plus 5. So according to the condition given in the question, Mary's age will be twice, she will be 2 years older than her sister. Means Mary's age is equal to Mary's sister's age plus 2, isn't it? So what is Mary's age here? 2x plus 5, which is equal to Mary's sister's age is x plus 5 plus 2 years plus 2. Now 2x plus 5, which is equal to x plus 5 plus 2. Now let us add 5 plus 2 here. 5 plus 2 is 7. So you got here 2x plus 5, which is equal to 5 plus 7. Now let us transpose x to the left hand side. Then you will get minus x. 2x minus x is x, which is equal to, already 7 is there. Let us transpose 5 to the right hand side. Then you will get minus 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. So for what we have considered it as x, Mary's sister's age we have considered it as x. So Mary's sister is 2 years older. Now what is Mary's age here? Mary's age will be, we have considered it as 2x. So 2 into 2, which is equal to 4 years. So Mary is 4 years older. Okay, children. Now let us move to the last sum, children. In 5 years' time, Reshma will be 3 times old as she was 9 years ago. How old is she now? Once again I am repeating the question. In 5 years' time, Reshma will be 3 times old as she was 9 years ago. How old is she now? Children, today we have discussed about age sums. They are very important, children. Okay. So here Reshma, let us consider present age of Reshma is equal to x. So after 5 years, what is the age of Reshma here? X plus 5. And they have given 9 years ago. Means you have to subtract it. What will be the age of Reshma? X minus 9. After 5 years means x plus 5. 9 years ago means x minus 9. So children, according to the condition given in the question, in 5 years time, Reshma will be 3 times old as she was 9 years ago, isn't it? In 5 years time means x plus 5, which is equal to Reshma will be 3 times old as she was 9 years ago, means 3 into x minus 9. You understood this condition, children? Now let us simplify this one. First let us simplify 3 into x minus 9. 3 into x is 3x minus 3 into 9 is 27. Okay, now you got here x plus 5 is equal to 3x minus 27. Now let us transpose 3x to the left hand side. Then you will get minus 3x and already plus x is here. Minus 3x plus x, how much you will get, children? Minus 2x, isn't it? Now already minus 27 is there. Let us transpose plus 5 to the right hand side. Then you will get minus 5. So minus 27 minus 5. How much you will get? Minus 32. Okay. Now you have to find out the value of x. So x is equal to minus 32 by minus 2. Here minus minus will cancel, and 32 if you divide by 2, 2 16s are 32. So x value you got here as 16. So what we have considered x here? Present age of Reshma. So present age of Reshma is equal to 16 years. Okay children? So children, in today's class I have explained few word problems. These sums are very very important children. I hope so you all are understanding, isn't it? So rewatch the video, understand the sums children, and complete the assignment. Thank you and have a nice day.